Hello friend, I am Subhas Marwade, Subject Assistant Mathematics, District Institute of Education and Training, Gondia. Standard 10th Subject Mathematics, Chapter 2nd, Quadratic Equation. In this video, we have to learn about what is the relation between roots of quadratic equation and its coefficient. First, we learn the relation between the root of quadratic equation and its coefficient. The root of quadratic equation, it is alpha and beta, and the coefficient is a, b and c is called as the coefficient of the quadratic equation. And what is the relation between roots and coefficient, its coefficient of quadratic equation? First, we consider the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is the standard form of quadratic equation. Here a, b and c are the coefficient of x square, x and constant of quadratic equation. And again alpha and beta are the root of quadratic equation. And what is the relation between a, b, c and alpha and beta? And first, we take the sum of roots of quadratic equation. Here alpha, value of the alpha of quadratic equation means the root of quadratic equation. First root is minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And second root, it is denoted by beta is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. First, sum of the roots. Here the first root is alpha and second is beta, and therefore the sum of the roots means alpha plus beta. And therefore we know the value of alpha and beta, and therefore sum of this value minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And therefore here by simplifying this root, and therefore minus b by 2a plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Again bifurcate this equation, and therefore minus b by 2a minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here minus b by 2a plus minus b by 2a, and again here plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a get cancel, and therefore it is get cancel, and therefore minus b minus 2b upon 2a, and here 2 get cancel, and therefore the value of alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And therefore we write as alpha plus beta are the sum of the root of quadratic equation is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Means this is the relation between the root of quadratic equation and coefficient. This is the sum of the root is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Again we have to find out the product of roots, and the product of root, here the root is alpha and beta, and therefore the alpha into beta. We know the value of alpha and beta and put the value of alpha and beta in this equation, and therefore equation get minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a into minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And again simplify this equation and rewrite as minus b by 2a plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b by 2a minus here plus and here minus. Suppose the b minus b by minus b by 2a is equal to x, and this term is y, x plus y, x minus y, and x plus y, x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. And therefore we write the first term square means minus b by 2a whole square minus second term, and second term is what? Under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a whole square, and therefore is equal to here minus The square of minus is again plus, means b square by 4a square, and here square and square root get cancelled, and again the square of 2a is equal to 4a square, means we rewrite as b square by 4a square minus b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Here the denominator are equal, are same, and therefore the numerator subtraction of numerator means minus b square minus b square minus 4ac upon 4a square, and therefore simplify this or solve this bracket, and therefore is equal to b square minus b plus 4ac by 4a square, minus minus plus b minus b get cancelled, and therefore 4ac by 4a square, 4 get cancelled, a get cancelled, and therefore c by a, and therefore the product of roots is equal to alpha by beta is equal to c by a. Means we know that what is the relation between the sum of the root and its coefficient and the product of the root and its coefficient. Thank you friend, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.